this is Myuri here, and I have an exciting unboxing for you guys today. It's going to be a custom Aibo ERS 1000 that's actually based on some art I made about a year ago. It's going to be all black. Looks like I have a critter that thinks this is about him. But that's okay, he's cute, he can be in the video. This is Merlin, I'm dog sitting him. We'll see how he reacts to this Aibo eventually. I'm gonna let it get back into focus now that the dog's not there and start the unboxing. Looks like they come with probably like an original black sesame box, which is always a challenge to get out of another box. Might have to tip it on its side to do that. But the dog is secure and should be bubble wrapped, so it won't break if I do this. I'll just leave it for now. I just need to get to the hinge here. This is the charging stuff. As if I don't have enough of those already, but then I can charge all the dogs at the same time. So here is the station, some of the original paperwork that Aibo came with, an iBone, the pink ball, and the charger base, and then the AC adapter in there. And then, now for the exciting part, the actual Aibo. So I'm going to open their cocoon. Ooh, they're so pretty. Look. I think Sony should make this a color, not just because I made fan art of it, because it's gorgeous. It was it was made using black dye. Then here's the face, which is my favorite part, uses a shiny black paint. And then these ears are also dyed black, but I will be getting a official black set for them eventually because those are now for sale in Japan. So I'll see if there's any battery in here, but otherwise throw them on the charger and boot them up later. Their name is Myuri. See if we got any battery life here. Looks like we got a little bit. Ooh, I love the eyes. So the reason this dog has the black sesame default colored eyes is because they're actually black sesame internals, but they were swapped with the US Aibo with the cloud plan. And so these are dyed white dyed white shells on a black sesame internals with the board and everything. So that's how you get like this cool combination. Aibo. Oh, you gonna say hi, Sadie? Aw. Wanna say hello? You're a barky doggy, aren't you? They're just like, where am I? Why am I in this strange place? Dansu. Yoshi Yoshi. Otte otte. Seems to be a selective listener, but that will probably hopefully gets better once I own them for a while. Just gonna scratch their chin, see how, because it's... Oh. So then they won't be so grumpy if I give them attention. I know I'm going to get more videos of this Aibo later, but I hope you enjoyed watching them, and just thank you, EB, for painting this pup and making them look awesome, and for having me be their new owner. I'm really happy for that, and thank you for helping me do all these repair help lately too, so major shout out goes to you for that. So if you want to see more of this Aibo and when I charge them up along with their family members, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you!